This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत झूमेगा भारत.
ये है भारत FM.
बजेगा भारत झूमेगा भारत.
Hello, Bharat FM listeners. Welcome to my colorful kitchen. I am Aparna Tukralkar and I am going to take you on an amazing culinary journey to learn and explore every Friday, 12 to 12:30. See you there. Hi, Pinky. Thank you for joining us on Bharat FM's My Colorful Kitchen.
Hi, Aparna. Thank you for having me over.
Oh, my pleasure. So, Pinky, tell me, where does your culinary journey start?
Mine, actually मुझे ना खाना बनाने का बहुत शौक था बचपन से ही. बट मम्मी लोगों को देखती रहती थी, कुकिंग हो रही है, बट मुझे ऐसे लाइक कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला क्योंकि मम्मी अपना करती रहती थी. एंड देन वी हैड वन मेड, तो वो उनके साथ लगी रहती थी. तो मुझे ऐसे ज्यादा अंदर लाइक रेगुलर खाना बनाने का शौक नहीं था. बट जैसे मम्मी की किटी पार्टी थी तो मैं बनाती थी खाना. लाइक आई वुड मेक सम फ्यूजन काइंड ऑफ फूड एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो वैसे बना लेती थी. तो आई फाइनली लाइक 10th grade के बाद आई एक्चुअली वेंट टू अ कुकिंग कोर्स एंड लर्न लॉट ऑफ cuisines. एंड पहली बार मैंने एक चिकन सफेदा बनाया था. And then my dad gave me 500 rupees. This is like when I was in. So I felt really, really good. But like just mummy ke kitty parties mein, and so I would just make fusion kind of foods. So वैसा शौक पड़ा. But अब तो घर में बनाती हूँ खाना.
True. So, what is your oldest memory of enjoying ये mom का खाना है या दादी नानी का खाना है?
सो मैं तो बिहार, हम बिहार से हैं, मैथिल हैं. तो बट बॉर्न ब्रॉट अप इन बॉम्बे. तो जब भी दादी आती थी, मम्मी खाना बनाती थी, तो वही एक डलना होता है, वो मिक्स्ड वेजिटेबल, वो हमारे सारे पूजा या कुछ भी शुभ काम में बनता ही था. एंड एक कड़ी जैसे आप लोग में होता, सब लोग बनाते कड़ी, बेसन का क्या पकौड़ा. इट्स जस्ट बेसन, नथिंग एल्स. बेसन का पकौड़ा, वो कढ़ी में, एंड इट इज मोर बेसन एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ दही का कड़ी. एंड देन उसमें, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, बिहार में मैथिली में बोलते हैं उसको बॉडी. वो एक बहुत याद है. एंड दूधी की सब्जी, लाइक ऑल दोस वेजिटेबल्स विच लाइक मुझे तो अभी सोच कर ही मुंह में पानी आ.
तो ऐसी कौन सी सब्जी थी जो बचपन में बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती थी लेकिन अब बहुत अच्छी लगती है?
एक्चुअली मुझे ना सारी सब्जियां पसंद. मुझे लाइक ऐसा कोई भी चीज ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे नहीं पसंद था. आई ऑलवेज लव्ड
So,
ऑल.
hardcore foodie.
Yeah, absolutely. My kids also tell me कि mummy, you like everything. I've never heard you saying that you don't like anything.
So, it's a joke in our family कि हमें खिचड़ी में भी स्वाद आता है तो हम कहाँ से पतले होंगे?
So true. मुझे भी खिचड़ी बहुत पसंद है. I can
So
eat
true.
anything and everything.
So, what is your daily, you're a working mom, what does your daily cooking look like? How do you plan your week with children when they were younger and you working? How did you do that?
So actually, it has been a lot of journey and lot of trial and error. I mean, मुझे खुद नहीं पसंद है कि फ्रिज से निकालो. एंड लाइफ इन यूएस इज लाइक दैट एक्चुअली, कि यू हैव टू, इफ यू आर वर्किंग देन तो फ्रिज से ही खाना निकलता है, गर्म होता है. बट आई वुड अर्लियर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एंड बच्चे हो गए, तो आई वुड जस्ट कुक. संडे वाज माय कुकिंग डे. एंड देन सब एक्चुअल सब्जी सब बना के चिकन या नॉन वेज बना के फ्रिज में रख दो, एंड देन वीकडेज में सिर्फ या रोटी या चावल फ्रेश बनता था, बाकी सब चीज फ्रिज से निकलती थी. Then eventually I got tired. I'm lucky that my kids and my husband don't complain के और ये फ्रिज से खाना निकल रहा है.
True.
But अब मुझे खुद ही पसंद नहीं था, तो I started doing कि कभी एक आध चीज बना लिया, बट फ्रेश ही बन रहा है शाम को ऑफिस से आने के बाद. बट इवेंचुअली वो भी बंद हो गया. नाउ आई ट्राई टू मेक एवरी डे कुछ ना कुछ सुबह बना लेते हैं, बट मोस्टली ये होता है कि आफ्टरनून में जो रात का बना हुआ है वही खाते हैं, बट यूजुअली इवनिंग्स में फिर फ्रेश ही बनता है, एंड रोटी बनता है. यूजुअली आई लाइक टू मेक रोटी इन द नाइट.
So, what is something that you make that your family members individually have a favorite? What does your husband like? What do the kids like? What are their favorites?
Oh God, Natasha is going to kill me. But there is one chicken that I make. I have given it name Madrasi chicken.
Mhm.
So see, I'm from Bombay. मेरे लिए Bombay के नीचे सब South Indian is all Madrasi for me, and I'm so sorry for that. But मैं उसको मद्रासी चिकन बोलती हूँ, but it is very simple chicken that it's like a staple. मेरे घर में वो चिकन हमेशा रहता है, like it's in the fridge all the time. नताशा आती है, अपना राइस लेती है, वो चिकन ले लेगी जब भी आए. आशीष को भी वो चिकन बहुत पसंद है. बियांका को कभी कभार, बट वो खा लेते दही के साथ खाते, because it's a little spicy, on the spicier side. But that is one thing that is always there in my house, and then dal chawal is like a staple.
Dal chawal, the humble and the favorite dal chawal.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So, what changed in your cooking style during the pandemic and the lockdown?
So during pandemic and lockdown, I've started looking at lot of recipes, and especially Facebook पे अगर आप जाओ और एक भी रेसिपी देख ली, तो then your Facebook is filled with recipes.
Oh, yeah.
You keep getting lot of these videos. So I make lot of वो tasty करके है, I
Yep.
think the website or something. So I have tried many things with that. I think वो सब चीज एक या दो बार ही बनता है, but you are back to your roots. You're back to दाल चावल सब्जी या chicken. So I think वही हुआ है. I've tried couple of things. Some things work out well. Some things are like okay, अगली बार नहीं बनाएंगे.
Oh, yeah. So, that happened with me recently. I made the TikTok trend of the feta cheese and the tomatoes.
I made that.
It didn't work for my family.
मुझे बियांका is my younger daughter is too much into TikTok, तो उसने मुझे recipes भेजती है, like she'll text mommy try this. So that is the one when I tried, and they were like okay. She was the one who did not eat. Natasha ने फिर भी खा. She was like I'm not eating that. I did not like it. So I'm not making
Yeah,
it.
I was so upset with my family. You know, everybody likes her on TikTok. मेरी family को पसंद नहीं है. And then I went and read people's comments, and I'm like, okay, I have a normal family.
Yeah.
Thank God.
It didn't work. Same at my household too. Yeah.
So, you and I, of course, spoke before we've gotten on this call. So, tell me about the recipe that you're going to teach me today. Because I do believe no matter how much you have cooked, there's always more to learn.
Absolutely.
So, where is this recipe used? How is it made? And then, of course, we'll go into the kitchen and try making it, and I'm going to try replicating it. But give me a little background of it and what the process is, so I'm a little prepped as well.
Okay. So I'm going to, we did talk about it. I'm going to tell you about this dalna I was talking about. It's a mixed vegetable. I guess every state has this one mixed vegetable recipe in their खजाना. But हमारे यहाँ पे मैथिल में ये बनता है, कोई भी ओकेजन हो, कोई भी शुभ काम हो, पूजा का दिन हो, रेगुलर डेज भी हो, इट्स वेरी इजी एंड ये बनता है. एंड क्योंकि इसमें प्याज लहसुन नहीं पड़ता है, सो पूजा के दिन भी बनना लाइक इट्स ओके. तो इसको डलना बोलते हैं। इसमें रेगुलर अपना आलू, गोभी, मटर, बैंगन, पम्पकिन, दूध सब पड़ता है, और सब अपने रेगुलर धनिया, जीरा, गरम मसाला एंड देन टमाटर और अदरक. So this
Simple
is the
recipe.
very simple. I guess we all have most of these vegetables at our house. और मैं तो अगर मैं मोस्टली बैंगन और पम्पकिन होता नहीं है घर पे, तो मैं ये सेम चीज सिर्फ गोभी, आलू और मटर के साथ भी बनाती हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई मेक दिस बिकॉज बैंगन एंड पम्पकिन इज समथिंग दैट बच्चे नहीं खा पाते हैं. उनको वो टेक्सचर पसंद नहीं है. सो दे लाइक दिस सब्जी अ लॉट. डलना बोलते हैं इसे. बट मैं फिर बिना इन दोनों इंग्रेडिएंट के बनाती हूँ एंड दे लव इट.
So the gobi aloo matar version of it is what you make.
Yes. एंड बस उसको या तो आप रोटी, पराठा या गरम गरम राइस के साथ खा सकते हैं.
I'm
भात,
excited.
हम लोग में भात बोलते हैं.
Yes. So I am from Bombay as well.
Mhm.
So when you say bhat, I totally relate to it. And I remember we had a neighbor called Balodi auntie, and it's so surprising that I'm thinking of her today. And I would go to her house every evening. Auntie bhat dal khani hai. And my mom would say, मैं इतना खाना बनाती हूँ घर में, तुम्हें जाके दाल चावल खाने होते हैं. I don't know what, वो भात का जो मजा आता है, it is amazing.
And
rice
गरम भात, उसके ऊपर घी,
of course,
and दाल.
So while we are talking ghee, and before I head to the kitchen, what is your opinion on using ghee in khana? Because a lot of people say, oh, it's fattening. I am somebody who uses it liberally.
Mhm.
What is your view on that?
I also use it. मेरे घर में मेरा this is my ghee. मैं ये पूरा भर के बनाती हूँ, and ये mostly बियांका खत्म करती है. She's and if people say that it is fattening, you all should see Bianca.
No, I don't think it's
And
fattening. I
ऐसा
think
कुछ
it's so
नहीं है.
healthy.
I think ghee is really good for you. I think हमारे like ancestors लोग सब घी में ही सब कुछ बनाते थे. And I have never seen anybody in very bad shape. So I guess ghee is really good. No issues about it. And you should use it. Yeah.
Same here. So before ghee started getting propagated as healthy, obviously, there was that whole phase where in India also people were moving to olive oil.
Yeah.
And I remember I got married and my mother-in-law would cook in ghee. So I would be like, Mummy, ghee healthy nahi hai. And she'd say, Beta, ghee healthy hai. And today I'm telling my kids the same thing. Ghee healthy hai.
True. Very true. Yeah.
Great. Pinky, I'm going to head into the kitchen. And
Sure.
you're going to teach me how to make something new because I've never heard of this before and I am truly excited. So I will join you in a bit.
Okay.
All right. I'm assuming you can see my gas.
Hi.
I am going to switch my gas on.
Okay.
So what do I start with?
So पहले तो हम ये डलना बनाने में पहले हम सारी सब्जियां एक एक करके थोड़ा सा उसको फ्राई करते हैं. Like not fry, but जैसे 1 चम्मच तेल, कोई भी तेल आप ले लो.
Tell me when to stop.
बस.
Okay.
And गरम करने के बाद like एक एक करके आलू गोभी आप साथ में उसको थोड़ा सा कर सकते हो फ्राई.
Okay.
And बाकी
So I've got so much gobi.
Yep.
So much aloo.
Yep.
Okay. Any namak, anything goes in at this point?
थोड़ा सा हल्दी और नमक डाल सकते हैं, बहुत हल्का सा.
So about so much?
Like a pinch of each. Yeah, नमक थोड़ा सा same amount. Yep.
Wow, this is interesting. I thought it will start with normal अपना प्याज, टमाटर, अदरक.
No, so this is like दोनों सारी सब्जियों को थोड़ा ऐसे like you call it shallow fry कर लेते हैं, and then
Correct.
you keep it on a plate on the side. फिर हम टमाटर और अदरक को पीस के फिर जब छौंक डालेंगे तब उसमें वो यूज होगा.
So how much brown am I to make it?
वेरी स्लाइट, जैसे एक कलर चेंज हो जाता है ना,
हाँ जी.
तो आप इसको ढक भी सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट कवर इट फॉर लिटिल बिट,
Okay.
and then like you will see that there is a slight change in the texture, very slight change, and then we can just take it out and put it on a plate, and then we do the same thing for bangan and pumpkin.
So do the bangan and the pumpkin go in together?
We can do it or we can do it separately, it doesn't matter, because बाकी eventually ये सारी सब्जियां को साथ ही बनना है.
And
So
what
it does
about
not
mutter? So since obviously यहाँ पे we use frozen mutter, it is already kind of cooked. So do we
Yeah.
saute that as well?
नहीं, मटर को तो सीधा बाद में जब सब्जी बनेगी तब डालना है.
Oh, okay. So does this look like I can take it out? It's starting to brown a little because the gas is a little.
थोड़ा सा इसको ढक दीजिए,
Okay.
थोड़ी देर, like couple of minutes. And flame को you can do it on a medium, and then we can
This
just
one is on pretty low actually because it's a little. So this is those portable camping
okay.
gases that I'm using.
Okay.
So it's definitely more powerful than the one we have at home.
Okay.
So it should be done pretty soon, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah. So what's the next step? You're putting the kaddu and the bangan in together. Should I not worry about the mutter? I heard you say something.
Yes, मटर हम जब पूरी सब्जियां वापस एक बार डालेंगे मसाले के साथ, तब we can put the मटर. मटर is like, because we use यहाँ पे तो frozen ही मिलता है, like
True.
तो वो हम end में भी डाल सकते हैं. It is more for like look, because सारी सब्जियां different colors की हैं, तो it just gives you a little color.
So what does
So
this
आप-
look like? It's
Yeah,
starting
this
to
is
brown.
fine. So now we can take it out on a plate.
Okay. So I remember when we were younger, mom dad used to sit and chilo kilo ke hisab se matar.
Right.
So did you have that too?
या और बचपन में तो वो भी होता था ना, आधे प्लेट पे जाते थे, आधे मुंह में जाते थे.
Oh yeah. So I took the bangan, but I made sure it was in pani, नहीं तो वो काला हो जाता है.
Right, even I do that, the same thing. Perfect.
Okay.
So now see, your amount of pumpkin is a little more, तो इसमें क्या होगा कि your sabzi will be on the sweeter side, because pumpkin is on the sweeter side.
Okay.
So then जो लोग को तीखा पसंद है, then they add little bit of more chili powder more.
Okay. So now do I add haldi and namak in this too?
Yes, please.
I love the fact that in cooking there's never an end to learning.
Right, absolutely. I think cooking and knowledge, any knowledge, you can keep learning till the end of your life, I guess.
So I heard this line from one of my spirituality books of Buddhism that the older you grow, the more you have to learn.
Yep, absolutely.
And I hold that line so close to me that every day I'm learning, whether it's cooking, whether it's my personality, whether it's raising children, relationships, everything.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah. So बैंगन को हमको थोड़ा देर और करना पड़ेगा, because बैंगन अभी पका, उसको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा, because बैंगन takes a little more longer time than बाकी सारी सब्जियां.
Okay. Oh, I would think it is ulta. But I see my gas went
क्योंकि
off.
बैंगन कच्चा अगर रहेगा तो मुंह में वो एक जो बहुत लोगों को itching होती है, right?
Oh, okay.
So I think अभी तो लग रहा है थोड़ा सा कच्चा दिख ही रहा है. So
Okay.
we can just do a little bit more time.
All right. So I personally never liked bangan aloo when I was growing up,
Uh-huh.
but I love bangan bharta.
Okay. Lot of people do that. Yeah.
Um, so
I
bangan
think
bharta.
जब भरता बनाते हैं उसका texture and उसका taste is different than if you're using the chunk of the bangan.
Correct.
Yes.
Absolutely. And that
Yes.
smokiness is
Yes.
just so different.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I remember. So my mom would make bharta and she would also put the danda into it, the stem.
Uh-huh.
And
Uh-huh.
I would
Uh-huh.
always say, being a non-vegetarian food lover, I would always say, मुझे एक बैंगन की हड्डी चाहिए.
True. True.
Because all that masala would get stuck there. Do you want me to put
Right.
some more oil,
Right.
Pinky, or
Yeah.
it looks okay?
I think, yeah, it looks okay now. So we can take it out
Okay. And can
and
the other sabzis or a separate plate?
we can use it in the same plate. It doesn't matter because बाकी अब तो सब सब्जियों को बाद में मिक्स ही होना है. So, yep.
So anybody who enjoys cooking and eating would also, be able to relate to the fact that a simple sabzi with jeera, haldi, namak is
Uh-huh.
so tasty.
Absolutely. Yes.
You don't need to add a zillion flavors to it.
Yeah.
So
तो
now what?
अब इसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल वापस बस.
Okay.
अब टमाटर मैं यूजली टमाटर और अदरक को साथ में पीस लेती हूँ बट यू कैन डू टमाटो पेस्ट एंड अदरक पेस्ट अलग से भी अगर है बाजार का या तो साथ में. तो पहले इसमें थोड़ा सा जीरा.
Okay.
हींग.
Okay.
एंड डू यू हैव बे लीव्स तेज पत्ता?
I do have tej patta. Okay,
बस.
here's the jeera.
Uh-huh.
So I have
And
this chunky hing.
हाँ, that's right. हाँ. Hing is usually very good for digestion. It's
True.
really, really good.
Yep. And now you want me to add tej patta?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा एक तेज पत्ता चलेगा, एक या दो. Yeah.
Okay. Now what do I do?
बस
I'm trying to.
हो गया
I
है
was
इसमें.
preparing the tej patta part.
Sorry?
I can't find the dabba, so let's skip that, I guess.
Yeah, that's not a problem. And then now we add tomato and अदरक का पेस्ट. Yeah. अब इसमें से थोड़ा सा हल्दी और नमक. Now you can add as much as you want to the whole sabzi.
Okay.
बस थोड़ा सा टमाटर को भूज लेते हैं and then once वो टमाटर भूज जाए you can feel like the oil छोड़ने लगता है टमाटर.
Right, right.
तो तब हम मसाला सब डाल देंगे. So we can wait like for 5 minutes before ये थोड़ा सा सॉटे कर लेंगे.
So, Pinky, recently a friend of mine introduced me to Campari tomatoes. So I was using Roma tomatoes so far, right?
Uh-huh.
And I started buying Campari tomatoes and they took food flavors to another level altogether.
Yes, absolutely. रोमा टोमेटोज और वो रेगुलर वाइन टोमेटोज का दोनों का टेस्ट अलग होता है. बहुत अलग.
Absolutely अलग होता है. You're right.
Yeah.
Mike is muted. Looks good.
It looks good. I think now we can start lower the flame and now we can start adding all the masalas.
Okay.
So dhania, jeera.
Yeah, this is a dhania jeera mix. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely fine.
So are we liberal with the dhania and the jeera?
Yeah, liberal with the dhania and jeera. And इसमें अभी गरम मसाला अभी नहीं डालते हैं.
Okay.
और इसमें थोड़ा सा चिली पाउडर if depending on your taste of कितना तीखा चाहिए.
This
कम
is
तीखा, ज़्यादा.
Kashmiri, so it should add the color and the flavor.
Perfect. Okay. तो अब बस मसाला इसमें हो गया. अब सारी सब्जियां डाल दो. Okay, and then mix it really well and थोड़ा पानी डाल के बस इसको अब कुक करने देना है.
So is this a kind of gili sabzi or?
It is so पानी डाल के, so it is more like a semi liquid. It's not बहुत रस वाली, but थोड़ी सी गीली सब्जी. Yes.
Interesting.
तो इसीलिए इसको अगर आप गरम गरम राइस के साथ, भात के साथ भी खाओ तो बहुत बहुत ही टेस्टी लगता है.
I have a feeling this is going to end up being a staple in my diet.
तो इसमें और थोड़ा पानी डाल सकते हैं.
All right.
And then इसको कवर करके until you know that सारी सब्जियां पक गई हैं. And then you can, जब पक जाए उसके बाद इसमें आप थोड़ा सा घी और गरम मसाला डालो और आप गैस बंद कर दो.
Oh wow. पिंकी, मेरे मुंह में ऑलरेडी पानी आ रहा है.
मुझे तो देख के ही अब लग रहा है कि मैं आपके घर आके ये खा ही लूं.
आ जाओ. आ जाओ. More than welcome. All right, Pinky, I will meet you at the other end of this segment.
Sure.
With this ready in a bowl, and I have to add the garam masala and the ghee, right?
Garam masala, ghee, and to just top it off, you just put little bit of dhania, coriander leaves.
Perfect. I'm going to show you the finished outcome in a bit.
Absolutely. We'll see
All
you.
right. See ya. Hi, Pinky.
Hi.
Okay, so I added a little more water.
Perfect.
I added the garam masala.
Uh-huh.
Does this look right?
Perfect. And ghee, and bus top it off with dhania patta.
Are we doing liberal ghee? Are we doing little ghee?
Absolutely. This is fine.
Yep. And lot of dhania patta or?
Yeah, धनिया पत्ता तो सबको पसंद होता है.
I agree. I agree. Yep. So this looks
ये हो गया
good.
डल्ला ready.
Dalna ready?
Yum, yum.
It looks so yum. I cannot wait to try it.
And I'm sure the खुशबू must be आपके पूरे घर में खुशबू.
Heavenly.
So I usually, that my personal favorite is to eat with garam bhat, uske upar ghee and this sabzi. But you can eat it with paratha or roti, whatever. Like,
I think I'm loving the fact of the kaddu in it. And kaddu, aloo, puri was obviously a favorite I think all of us had when we were growing up.
Yes,
so it's taking me back to that memory.
and actually, good you reminded. तो ये जब पूजा वगैरह में ही बनता था, तो पूजा में पूरी तो बनना ही है. So people used to eat this with puri. So yeah, it tastes really good.
So I think I'm going to forget about my weight loss for this afternoon.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Pinky, for joining us on Bharat FM and My Colorful Kitchen. I am so pleased and honored to have you as my first guest.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. And I am really happy, and all the best for your journey.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
You too. Thank you.
This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.
ये है भारत FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.